kids, it's me, Sophie, and for today's video, we were going to make a caterpillar clay. So first, let's get a color pink clay, but you can choose any color that you want. So I roll into a ball shapes, four ball shapes for color pink, and then get another clay with a different color, and for this time I choose the apple green. So pour pink and then 2 apple green and get a small metal wire to connect the 2 different color clay. So this is gonna be our caterpillar's body. So it's alternate color, it's pink, apple green, and then pink, apple green. And for the head, I chose the pink one. So using a metal wire, I inserted it and place the head of our caterpillar. And using a black clay, I molded into a small form of clay to have our caterpillar's feet. So 2 feet each balls. Just continue to do it, okay? And again, kids, if you want to watch more of my videos and to be updated on my latest craft, just simply click the subscribe button. And you may also check the description box below for our website like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So we are done and now to our caterpillar's feet. So let's go now to our face. And using a white clay, roll into a small balls and flatten to become our caterpillar's eye. And then small balls again using a black clay, 2 small balls, and then place on our white clay. Alright, and another white clay to become the eyeball. See? So we're almost done to our caterpillar face. And place a nose and then roll a pink color of clay. This is gonna be for our antenna, like that. So we're gonna need a metal wire again for this one. So insert the metal wire like that, gently, okay? After this, insert that to our caterpillar's head. And then bend a little bit. Same thing to the other one. Okay, so like that. Bend a bit. And then stick to our caterpillar's head. And ta-da! We have now a caterpillar clay. See you again on my next video. Bye!